right, so I'm just going to go quickly go through the different service options we have for system drives, and really all of our different areas. And so we have 4 levels: rapid response, lifecycle management, performance improvement, and operational efficiency. And this is what we refer to as our care agreement structure. And so rapid response is what we call corrective maintenance, which is really emergency maintenance. Lifecycle management is where we get into the preventative aspect. And then as we go to performance improvement, that's where we go into the digital area with predictive maintenance. And then operational efficiency goes a step higher to prescriptive. And that operational efficiency is where the ability drives performance fits. Okay, it's that always on connection. And I'll explain these in a little more detail in my next slide. So here I just have the 4 areas represented in quadrants. And so rapid response, corrective maintenance, again, this is what a lot of our customers refer to as emergency field service. They have a problem, they call our support line, they open up a case with the technical support center, they do some troubleshooting. If they're not able to resolve it, then they will dispatch a field service engineer to the site and do a break fix call. And so this does come with a display functionality that we call the service activity dashboard. And all those dashboards that John was showing you, those all come from what we call our service connection platform, where we've got a variety of different dashboards and displays that customers and our engineers can look at. With this, you get the basic service activity dashboard, which we pull that data from Service Pro. An option you can get at Rapid Response is our remote access link, and that is where we set up a connection, and that gives our folks the ability to remotely log in on customer demand and do remote troubleshooting. Then next, we step up to lifecycle management, which is our preventative maintenance level. It does include all of the rapid response services, but here's where we do our preventative maintenance visits. It's planned field service. We're installing PM kits. There is another dashboard available that will give you that information. Again, that's through the Service Connection platform, and that pulls from the maintenance libraries within Service Pro. And then the remote access link for remote troubleshooting option is there as well. Then we step up to the digital, starting with performance improvement. Rapid response and lifecycle management services included. There is an additional dashboard for the performance improvement data. And this is where we provide what we like to call our extended advisor engagements. And these can be customer on demand or proactive planned engagements. And so with this, our optimization engineers are logging in, they're looking at data, they're looking at trends, and they're providing insights on what they're seeing. And then they can make recommendations for corrective actions without actually being on site. And so it's completely remote, it's completely digital. And then we also have a reporting aspect of that where on certain periods, quarterly, bi-weekly, depending on what we decide on, they'll provide reports on the maintenance activities, the problems that they found, the corrective actions that they took, and then what are the next steps. And then our highest level, which is the operational excellence. And this is where the ability drives performance fits. You see I have highlighted there the continuous remote monitoring and analysis of KPIs that John was showing you. We refer to that as our performance accelerators, but this is the full digital, always on connection for monitoring and data analytics. So just wanted to give you that structure. Again, these are levels that customers choose based on their needs. And so all of these are available for system drives. And then I just want to touch on some diagnostic services we have for system drives. We fully understand that purchasing a service agreement at any of those 4 levels can be a significant commitment. And so, but it doesn't have to start there. These are diagnostic services we can provide for your drive systems to get a snapshot of where you are today, and they're good starting points. There's a feed study, which is just a digital readiness assessment of your drive system. Is it ready to implement a digital service solution today? And if not, what steps need to be taken to get it there? And then the benchmark is where we do an assessment of your drive system assets, what life cycle status they're in, and we identify performance gaps with the drive system. And this is a remote service. We do not need to be on site for that. And then the most thorough assessment is the fingerprint. And so again, that's our most in-depth assessment, and that takes the benchmark and adds to it, where we go on site and do a physical walkthrough, visual inspections. We come up with preventative maintenance plans, and then we recommend the next steps of corrective actions to get the drive system up to top performance. So just to summarize, we have our service structure has 4 different levels based on customer needs. Rapid response, lifecycle management, performance improvement, operational efficiency. But we realize customers may not be ready to start there, so we have these diagnostic services that will give a snapshot of your current drive system and kind of map out where we need to go.